Okay, so I celebrate every minute of life. You don't know what happens next in second minute. So I start my day with my 90s music, and the day goes on with laughter and tension and everything, mix of everything. So that's all part of celebration for me. Well, the biggest satisfaction is I'm standing on my own feet. You know, once a girl grow up, the family supports you. After that, you get married. There is in a mind, everyone, that after the marriage, your spouse, family will support you. But I believe one individual should able to earn, should able to bring food to their own plate. Because we don't know any situation can come up. Life is very short. You never know what happens to anyone. So I believe one should, like, if our parents are making an effort to give us a good education, utilize this after also the second inning of your life, stand on your own feet. So I'm really satisfied every day that I'm standing on my own feet, not asking anyone for anything. So what I'm doing by my own self. Yes, of course, family is around, everyone is around, but I am responsible for my own life. So this is the most satisfactory thing I can give it to myself. Love and war. I'm a very strong-headed woman, but I'm ethical in nature too. So sometimes I find myself in a situation where my mind is saying something and my heart is saying something. So it's very difficult to convince my mind as well as my heart. So yes, always war and love. Where I can sleep, where I can go to bed without any burden of extra thoughts, where I can sleep peacefully. Actually, no. I believe a house can transfer into a home with family members. Be it a man, be it a woman, be it a grandparents, your kids, or be it a lovely pet. Everyone makes a house a home, not one individual. It depends upon individual's liking. If a woman wants to lead to choose their own house, it's up to her. It depends upon own encouragement, own liking, and own stepping forward. No one has stopped women back age also. No one has stopped women this age also. It depends. It takes courage. It takes encouragement of the family. Let's do together. Let's choose everything together. So this is what I feel. It's like personal wish. If the woman wants to come and do it, fair enough. Because see, when it comes to choose the house, the paperwork, the design, it will not change for women and men. If the man comes to choose it, everything will be same. If the woman comes to choose it, still everything will be same. It's just two different individuals. So I think like that. Still, I'll give you the same answer. It depends upon individual to individual. Yes. I can't say that men are different or women are different. Of course, everyone is different. Even our hand, our 5 fingers are different. The woman's has been created in a way, the man has been created in a way. But the brain is same. So the woman can think alike men and men also can think alike women. It's just we should know how to use it in a right way. Start saving at the early age. Give others, spend, enjoy your life in present, but save some amount for your future.